Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys you can turn yourself into cartoon character in Microsoft PowerPoint. I'm going to use Microsoft PowerPoint site presentation software. You can get access for PowerPoint. Simply go to left bottom corner, then type in PowerPoint. You can see that app and click on that PowerPoint. Open the PowerPoint and click you can see blank presentation. Click on that, then click on the insert right left corner top. Then in the middle of the you can see that add in adding. Click on. After you click gonna be a page like that. Obviously add in. Then I'm going to search in the box fixed turn. Type in fixed turn and click search. Can see fixed turn comic characters at. Then you can read everything of fixed turn comic characters and click agree and continue. You obviously add in fixed turn comic character, then continue. Now you can see welcome, use this expressive characters to help explain ideas. Then get started. Right this side you can see cartoon characters. You can click anyone which one you like it. Then I go with this one. Then you have to select the color. I go with color, this color, and hairstyle. Okay, I have shorter hair, then I go with this one. Okay, I'm going to select this person looking good and click that person. Then I want to select another character. Okay, I go with same like that. Now you can see that the person I can move anywhere and face on the screen, and I can resize. Okay, now when you go to recent, then you can see already saved in the file. Then I have to make more 4 characters. I go with the one of girls and go with the black hair. I select this girl. I go with another person, maybe bigger guy. Then go color, hair. Okay, go with this person. You can see he already saved in the file. Go right here, and girls run into coffee shop. I'm here. Okay, another person. I'm going with this boy. Okay, hair color and go like that. Okay, this person. Go character. You also run into coffee shop. This was the example I want to show you guys. That go with another character, the lady. Okay, color, go with white color and blonde hair. Okay, go with the lady like that. She's walking to the coffee shop. Can I go recent? You can see say already save in the 5 person including with me. Right here this my character, myself, and 4 others coming to coffee shop. Okay, now I have to create the city background. Pre-pick design software, then you can use stock photos, PSD downloads. So in this case I like to use Canva software. Then I go with the Canva. That's my favorite software. I can do anything what I want. That's easy. I'm going to create design, go into presentation. So I have to create the city background for downtown. Then I go into elements. I go with the sky blue background. Background is sky blue. I select this color is a perfect matching with clouds. Then I go building, downtown building, bigger building. I select another building this side. That's perfect. Okay, now I'm going to download this one. That's downloading to my pictures. Alright, I keep it like that. Then I have to create a coffee shop banner. So Harry's coffee shop. I have to make banner for, then everybody can see that coffee shop, Harry coffee shop. People line up for the coffee shop. Then I'm going to create the banner. I'm going to delete this one. Okay, I go home, create design, go with logo, select logo, go to elements, select coffee shop, I make coffee shop. Then this one is a perfect. I go with this one. I will type in Harry's coffee shop. Go with text. Okay, this one. Harry. A little bit minimize. Okay, now it's perfect. Copy. Shop. I'm going to put the different color, then everybody can see that clearly. Might be I go with this one, yellow. I think perfect. Okay, now everybody can see the Harry's coffee shop. Then I'm going to download this one. Okay, that's downloading on the pictures. Then I have to cancel that Canva software. Going to PowerPoint. Alright. Okay, first I want to show you how to import pictures from desktop pictures. Click on this device and I am going to download. Click on that I already created from Canva. Insert. Click on insert again. I go to picture, this device. I have to get back a coffee shop, Harry coffee shop. Okay, now coffee shop right here. Then I have to take it out that background, white background. Then I'm going to select and remove background. Then I'm going to click keep change. Now I can see background, white background is all gone. Then clear that coffee shop. I can move anywhere around the area. That's perfect. I'm going to make a bigger coffee shop. Alright, then look looks good, and keep it like that. Then I'm going to next. First I am going to resize in myself. I'm going to be short and put it inside the coffee shop. Now you can see perfect. I'm in the inside the coffee shop. Then I want to create people line up waiting at Harry coffee shop. I'm going to reason, and you can see I already created 4 people. First I'm going to click lady, and she walk into the coffee shop. Alright, here a little bit smaller. Okay, now it's perfect. Can see now she is walking to coffee shop. Then second one, I want to select the guy. Okay, I want to make he's running to the coffee shop. He's running to the coffee shop. Okay, I'll go right here. That's perfect. Okay, next I want to put the bigger guy. He's walking to the coffee shop. Okay, a little smaller. Okay, now it's perfect. Okay, next one, I put this girl. This one perfect. I put this girl going to the office, and first coming to Harry's coffee shop and take the coffee. Okay, that's fine. Little boy is running to coffee shop. A little bit like that. That's perfect. Okay, everyone perfect to line up Harry's coffee shop. Then next, now I'm going to make animation this cartoon character. First I'm going to right click on the first one, then go to duplicate slide. You can see that duplicate slide, click on that. Now you can see 2 identical copies. I'm going to select first one and click this first one, and those 4 characters I want to click and move back. Click all 4 and move them back. Okay, now I'm going to select second one and go into transitions. You can see that click on that transition and click mop. You can see now they move into Harry coffee shop. Now I'm going to create myself for animation. Then going to add in, click add in. Then you can see select, go into selection. We have to select the pictures. You go one by one. Picture 20, that's the girl. Picture 19, that's the person. Same like that, you can click on and each one, and you can figure out which one you use. So in this case, picture 14, that myself. Then I'm going to top corner animation, click on the animation. Then I go to little arrow and click on theta. Now you can see I'm moving. This is a basic about the animation learning tutorial with the great software tool of Microsoft PowerPoint. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.